here with our marketing group. So today we're doing a really amazing finishing event at Grand Sierra Resorts in Reno. So as you see here, this is the kitchen of yesterday. How do we find methods and equipment to replace all of this? Reduce our hood space, as well as minimize labor. We're going to show you some various methods today for that.
This one was running 2 weeks ago. It was not running for almost 6 months.
So how many times have you repaired it?
Sometimes twice a month.
Would you rather have one of these?
Oh yeah, this one is more better than
Much easier to work with, right?
easy.
That's a minute and a half at 203 degrees, so you haven't killed any of the vitamins and minerals in it.
And you haven't absorbed all the water.
Nope.
Newer product, there's a lot of improvements.
Cooked all the way through.
Yeah. So originally, we weren't even going to see all that.
Wow. You went